it is amazing how sometimes the smallest gifts can be the most important. And it's kind of funny that I got this today because today's my birthday, which is amazing. I'm happy about that. But I literally thought last night and today after my shower, I really wanted to get more deodorant, more manly smelling deodorant per se, because my other Old Spice is kind of this basic, bland, hygienic kind of smell. I was like, I want something a little bit more musk to it. And my roommate came home from work with this because he was able to get it at work. And it was just one of those things where I was like, hey, I thought this would be good for you. And it's like perfect timing, the synchronicity of things. And speaking of synchronicity, it is crazy to me how over the years I have come up with many, many ideas of different content that I want to make. And I started making new series like this monthly now page, or my on Wednesdays I do swimming, on Thursdays I do content repurposing, and on Fridays I now do my main newsletter, which is my polymathy journey to polymath newsletter. Saturdays is the gaming stuff. And I have all these different series and all these things going on at once. And while I'm oftentimes late for a lot of these to go out, I'm still trying to be consistent. And that's something I've been trying to work on lately. And I'm just super excited about that. And today has definitely shown me that I am excited to do so. So let's get that intro going. Welcome back. When it comes to today, I woke up kind of late. I actually woke up around almost 1 o'clock, which I never sleep in past 10 nowadays, let alone noon. And finally finished one of the posts I was supposed to make for Thursday. Again, like I said, kind of doing things kind of late, but whatever. I got that done, went to the store. I actually left my house so quickly to go to the store that I forgot my phone here at home. And I was thinking, like, well, crap, I might need that if I need to move some money around, but whatever. I needed to get some nice black slacks because upcoming here soon, I have a wedding, a reunion. I was going to wear them today, but it ended up being too hot. I taught my swim lesson, started working on this now page. I'm not going to get the other blog post done probably until way later, but oh well. And now I'm about to go get some food with some friends for my birthday dinner. And this is just something that's crazy to me. I've been trying to have a big birthday celebration for a few years now because I haven't had one since my 21st. I've had family things, but never had anything big beyond that. And for some reason, this year felt different. Like I feel like I'm gonna hit 30 and it's not gonna phase me at all. But for some reason, 28. For some reason, it feels different. Maybe it's because I know that it's gonna be one of my last birthdays here in Colombia, and before I move somewhere else. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. So I'm excited about it. Hopefully today's gonna be a great night. We're gonna do karaoke. I have a whole Facebook event and everything. So that's what I'm doing now, and I've been trying to focus on being consistent. I'm having a hard time with my gaming videos and POLYCASTS because I just can't stand editing. I cannot wait for an AI editor to take that part of the job for me because I love researching. I love doing the interviews, but yeah. Other than that, I am trying to find a remote job, and that is really it. Today's post is really short. I think even today's video is really short. In fact, I might not even edit this. I might just forgo the whole intro and call it a day and post this so I didn't roll my intro at the beginning there. Sorry. But honestly, I have nothing else to say. I had some weird dreams last night when it came to swimming. I think I'm still kind of missing that camaraderie that I got from all the swimming people. And I still go back to the pool every once in a while to say hi to my friends and the lifeguards there. And I enjoy that kind of thing. But for the most part, I am done with that part of my life. I'll still do swim lessons, and maybe when I move somewhere else, I'll find the pool, I'll do it there too, and I'll have that camaraderie again. But for now, I need to move on. I need to find a remote job. I need to find something location independent, so that way, if I do move, I can just keep my job. Thank you for checking this out, and thanks for wishing a happy birthday for those who've done that so far. Maybe you can leave a comment too if you want to do a little birthday gift. Cheers, and goodbye.